G'day team. Today we're going to talk about radar detectors. This is the unit of radar detector. This is quite a good little unit. This is the R3. Why don't we have a look at what's inside? So start with some instruction manuals. They give you a couple of different languages. That's handy if English isn't your first language. Then we have a nice solid case. On the inside of the case, we've got the radar all nicely packaged up. So in here, we've got the suction cup. So this is a really good suction cup. It's got this ball here so you can adjust the angle that everything's going to sit on, and it is a really strong, solid piece of kit. They also provide for us another type of suction cup mount. This is the dual suction cup. It also comes with some Velcro. Here we've got the proper cigarette lighter attachment and the bungee cord, so you can just literally pull this out of the box, plug that in, and you're up and running. In here we have the unit and radar detector. It is super easy to use. You take this out of the box, you clip this on, turn this so that it's going to point in the right direction, and you attach it to your windscreen, plug that into your cigarette lighter, and you're up and running. So these have got some fantastic range in them. They are a really simple to use unit. As you can see, you've got volume controls, you've got on and off, you've got your menu in your menu. There's a few settings. We don't want you to play with your settings. That way we can make sure you are properly looked after with a wonderful radar and all the backup service to go with it.